Most people think you need a petrochemical form oil to help the concrete forms to remove nicely and give you that nice smooth finish, but I'm here to tell you you don't. You can have a nice eco-friendly option that is affordable, that is safe for you and safe for the environment with just two simple ingredients: linseed oil and castile soap. These two ingredients together make this beautiful form oil right here that is going to give you an even better finish than any type of petrochemical type form oil is going to do. And this is safer for you, it's safer for the environment, it's just better. It's just better. We need to let go of those petrochemicals because they do leach toxins into your soil, into your environment. They're not safe for you to be breathing in those fumes as well. So if you can find an eco alternative to petrochemical products, then you should. So to make this very easy, simple form oil, you mix 2 parts linseed oil to 1 part castile soap. Just a 2-to-1 ratio. Give it a little shake and you're good to go. For this mix, I actually went a little overboard. I used this yogurt container and it was way too much because I had a ton left over. So I would start small with maybe like a cup and see from there. You could always mix up more, but you can't really unmix it after it's been mixed. So that's a tip for you, is don't make too much. Liquid castile soap is a biodegradable soap. This one here has no smell, it's just a baby unscented. The soap actually helps the oil emulsify and spread evenly over the plywood. It also adds a little bit of slip to help the concrete release cleanly. To use it, you just brush or roll it on. It would be a lot easier if you did this before you put your form ply up. I had to go in between all of the little bits of rebar, which made it a little more challenging. I also tried to use a sprayer, but it ended up being just a little bit too thick for a sprayer, so I just brushed it on. Again, had I done this before putting the plywood on, it would have been like so much faster, but as it is, it only took me about an hour to get in there because you only need it on those exposed parts of your concrete, which for me was the top 8 inches of my form ply on the exterior of where that concrete was going to be exposed. Make sure you get really good coverage, especially in the corners and along the edges. This helps prevent the wood from absorbing water from the concrete mix, so your forms will last longer and the surface finish is nice and smooth. I was very impressed with how nice the concrete looked after using this form oil. Now, I already had my linseed oil, but I actually ended up going by a new castile soap. I use this stuff all the time, so it wasn't a huge expense for me because, again, I already had the linseed oil from waterproofing my garden gate. If you wanted an even cheaper option or like a free option that doesn't use any petrochemicals, you could use vegetable oil. Now, vegetable oil though can go rancid and make your forms have a very bad smell afterwards. So if you're planning on reusing your concrete forms like that plywood again, I wouldn't recommend using the vegetable oil, which is why I chose not to go with the vegetable oil, because I am using my forms to build the rest of my hempcrete home. And then after that, I will have all these forms that I can sell to somebody else to use for concrete work. So in that way, they're just being able to be reused a lot better, which is also why I went with a non-scented castile soap. You could use whatever. You could use lavender, peppermint, vanilla, I don't care, lemon. But again, because I knew I was going to be reusing my forms and wanting to be able to sell them again afterwards, I just went with an unscented version. And petrochemicals as well, if you use those, they do have a smell and it's not good for your health. And you're also creating then more of like a fire risk by using those on your form ply if you plan on reusing your form ply again. So in my opinion, this is the best way to go. And it's pretty affordable, especially if you have other projects that you want to use your linseed oil for. This natural recipe is biodegradable, non-toxic. You can apply it without gloves or a mask, and it's just a win-win in my opinion. This really gave my concrete a nice clean finish. There was no staining in the concrete, no streaking. There was no sticking at all. It just had a very beautiful finish. I'm going to show you one of the concrete forms that was around one of my posts. You can see I haven't scraped this one yet, but you can see where I had the oil applied, just how easy it came off. And then at the bottom here, there's more concrete stuck on here because I didn't have the form oil on this part, because this is the part of the column that is going under the ground. So it didn't matter to me what the finish looked like. But the top here is where I wanted it to release really nice and smoothly. And you can see like it didn't really even stain the form ply. Like it looks just like regular form ply that has nothing on it. But it does, it has linseed oil on it. So next time you're building forms, I hope you give this recipe a try. And again, my #1 tip is it's faster if you can apply it before you put your forms up, because if you wait till after, you are gonna have to find a small roller or a brush that is gonna be able to get in through all of that rebar. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider liking, and maybe even you want to subscribe and watch me build my hempcrete home in the most eco-friendly way as possible. I've made some mistakes already, but this form oil was definitely not one of them. Let me know in the comments below if you have another recipe for an eco-friendly form oil, or if you're a diehard petrochemical fan. Hopefully I've convinced you otherwise. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.